Gummy candy, soft, sweet, chewy candy, was first born in the kitchen of a German baker, Hans Riegel. He experimented for more than a year with just a copper pot and a simple stove before creating the first gummy candy icon, the gummy bear. Today, the gummy candy production process has developed into a precision industrial chain where food technologists and chemists collaborate to perfect each recipe. They adjust the proportions of ingredients to achieve the ideal texture, flavor, and color. Gelatin is the soul of gummy candy, the substance that gives it its characteristic elasticity. The thermo-reversible properties of gelatin help the candy melt immediately in the mouth. But because gelatin is tasteless, sugar and flavoring are added to create the characteristic delicious taste. Both sucrose and fructose are used, but fructose is sweeter. In addition, corn syrup is added to prevent sugar crystallization and keep the candy moist. The flavor of candy is not just plain sweet. Natural extracts from fruits, berries, molasses, and maple sugar create a distinctive aroma. To make the scent more prominent, people combine flavoring compounds. The bright colors of the candy are created from food coloring such as red number 40, yellow numbers 5 and 6, blue number 1, all of which are strictly controlled. Finally, food acids such as citric acid are added to control the pH, helping the gelatin maintain a stable texture. Once the ingredients are ready, the production process begins with the compounding step. Workers in the factory mix the ingredients according to the recipe. Put them into giant mixing tanks that heat, cool, and stir continuously to avoid burning and ensure the mixture is homogeneous. Once the mixture is evenly cooked, it is sent to a specialized machine called a mogul machine, which begins the shaping process. First, the starch powder is spread evenly into trays, which are then pressed into concave shapes by a printing press. The candy mold. The liquid candy mixture is pumped into the molds through a precision nozzle system that can process multiple colors and flavors at the same time. After the molds are poured, the trays are transferred to a cooling room, where the candy rests for more than 24 hours to set and achieve the ideal elasticity. When ready, the trays are turned upside down to let the candy fall out, through a vibrating sieve and brush to remove excess starch. The candy can then be coated with a wax coating or a layer of sour sugar crystals to enhance the taste. This is followed by an automated packaging process where machines sort, inspect, and pack the candy into bags, boxes, or jars. Quality is always strictly controlled, from the input materials, color, smell, viscosity, pH, etc., to the final product. QC technicians and sensory teams compare product samples to established standards during the formulation development phase to ensure consistency in flavor, taste, color, and texture. With approximately 160 million gummies produced every day worldwide, the long journey from the copper pot to today's automated production line has created an indispensable sweet symbol in the modern confectionery industry.